First, let's start with the Spotlight search. You can use Command plus Spacebar. With this option, you can search any files, apps, emails from your Mac screen. The second shortcut key is how to hide and show your dock menu using Command Option D. When you press this, it will hide. Again, Command Option D, it will come up. The third shortcut key is how to bring emoji option in your Mac using shortcut key. Command Control Spacebar. You will see this option. Fourth shortcut key is how to lock your screen using Command Control Q. When you press this key, it will lock your screen. Fifth shortcut key is how to switch apps using Command plus Tab keys. You can use Command plus Tab key with switch between the apps. Next option is how to take a full screenshot in your Mac using shortcut key Command Shift+3. It will take full screenshot. Next shortcut key is how to take selected screenshot using Command Shift+4. Here you can select whatever screen you want to take. You can select and you can take a screenshot. Next option, how to capture a record screen using Command Shift+5. So when you do this option, you can record or you can capture your screen. So next shortcut key when you are in Finder screen. If you are in Finder screen, you can use, like if you want to go to iCloud folder, you can use Command Shift+I. It will take you to iCloud 5. So next shortcut key, if you want to go to home folder, you can use Command Shift+H. It will take you to your home screen. So next shortcut key, how to go your recent files in your Finder using Command Shift+F. It will go to your recent folders. Next shortcut key is how to go your airdrop in your Finder using Command Shift+R. It will take you to the airdrop folder. Next shortcut key is how to go your all application in your Finder folder using Command Shift+A. It will take you to the all application folder. Next shortcut key is how to go to folder in your Finder screen using Command Shift+G. Here you can search any folder and you can go from here. Next shortcut key is how to hide when you are in browser view. Like Command H, it will hide. The next shortcut key, how to open new tab using Command plus N. It will open new tab. The next shortcut key is print using Command plus P. When you press Command plus P, you will see this option, print screen option. So next shortcut key is how to find anything in the browser, like using Command plus F. So you can search any keyword using this Command plus F keyword. So next shortcut key is Command plus G. It will useful for go next of the search. So when you want to search something, you can go for the next search using Command plus G in the item. So next keyword is bookmarking any page using Command plus D. It will bring your bookmark page and you can bookmark any browser URL. So next option, like how to minimize the screen using Command plus M. So it will minimize. It is same like how you did for hide, Command plus H. Both are related. If you want to reload the browser page, you can use Command plus R. So it will refresh the page. If you are let's say if you are in some from YouTube page, and if you want to refresh the screen, you can use Command plus R. It will refresh the screen. If you want to open some file, you can use Command plus O. So it will open file from whatever folder you look for. So next option will be saving any document using Command plus S. So it will bring this save window. So next keyword is Command plus W. It will close recently opened browser tab. So if you want to open the new tab here, you can use Command plus T. It will open new tab. So if you want to zoom this page, you can use Command plus icon. If you use this, it will zoom. So if you want to zoom out, you have to use the keyword like Command plus minus. Okay. And if you want to reset original screen size, like for you want to reset your zoom setting, you can use Command plus 0. It will reset to 100. So if you want to open a browser setting of this Chrome, you can use Command plus comma. So it will take you to the setting of that browser. So if you want to minimize your current window, you can use Command plus M. It will minimize this all browser windows, and but whatever background windows will be remain open. Command plus M. Okay, so this window still remain open. Next shortcut key is minimize all window using Command Option and press MH. It will minimize all the window. So next keyword is selecting all files using Command plus A in any folder. So it will select all file. So next keyword is copying this file using Command plus C, and next keyword you can use Command plus V. It will paste,